Today I'm going to be using the common denominator method and the cross multiplication method to determine which of my non-equivalent fractions is greater. Okay, let's get started. So I chose the fractions 2/7 and 1/4, and the greatest common factor of 7 and 4 is 28. So that's going to be my common denominator for both fractions. And to get from 4 to 28, we multiply by 7. And so we're going to multiply 7 on the numerator here. So 7 times 1 gives us 7. And to get 7 to 28, we're going to multiply by 4. So we multiply 4 to the numerator here. So 2 times 4 is going to be 8. And the number in the numerator represents the number of shaded pieces in this fraction. And 8 is greater than 7 because there will be 8 shaded pieces compared to 7. So we know that 2/7 is larger than 1/4. And that's how you use the common denominator method. Now let's move on to the cross multiplication method. I'm going to use the same fractions, 2/7 and 1/4, and we're going to cross multiply here and cross multiply here. And when we do that, we get 2 times 4 over 7 times 4. And here we get 7 times 1 over 7 times 4. Well, 7 times 4 gives us 28 on both sides, so that's our common denominator. And then on the top we get 8 and 7. And because 8 is greater than 7, we know that 2/7 is greater than 1/4 because 8 is greater than 7, which is what we ended up with in the numerator. Okay? And those are just two methods that you can use to determine which fraction is greater.